everyone, today we're going to be talking about these 10-piece rhinestone picker pencils. These are incredible, you guys, and this is how much you get for just one pack. As you can see, they're decorated with little rhinestones, so they're so cute, and they could be sharpened, as you can see, like a regular pencil, and you can be using them for anything such as those rhinestone mats that you can decorate, or even just doing nail designs. You can put the little rhinestones at the end so you can place them perfectly in the nail. I think this is such an incredible tool for nail techs as well, or just people who love to decorate things with rhinestones. So you get 10 of these pencils, but you also get these little holding trays. They're triangular, and I think they're so cute because they can just be put next to each other, and you can separate by color, by size, or anything like that, and have all of them laid out before you start, so you make sure you don't get confused and you use the right ones for everything you can possibly need, you guys. Just like that, they fit like that, or you can put some of them on top and you can mix and match, and I think it's such a nice addition as well. So go check these out, you guys. Whether you do nails, whether you like rhinestones, it is so easy to just sharpen them. You can sharpen them in a regular pencil sharpener, and then you can start picking up those rhinestones and placing them down and making everything look nice, you guys. I'm definitely going to be using these for my nails, and I hope you guys check it out and like it just as much as I did. See you on the next video. Bye.